Hey guys, I hope you all had a good weekend, and I hope everyone is safe, healthy, and happy. Like we did last week, I'm going to continue to post instructions through these videos on Mondays. I just want to clarify though, because some of you had some confusion about this. This slide right here, the one that says announcements, that's not part of the instructions. Do not send me this slide or write down the things on this slide as part of the instructions. They are not this week's instructions. I also want to say really quickly that some of you guys did not do the instructions by Monday or got some of the instructions wrong. Being that this is kind of a new thing that we're trying out, I'm not going to mark you guys down for last week's instruction postings as long as you did it. But moving forward this week, you have to do it one, on the day that I'm asking you to hand it in, which is today, and two, make sure that you have the right slide. So again, this slide is not what I'm asking you to do. Just a couple general announcements. I'm going to host a Google meeting in Classroom on Wednesdays. Now, the school has been sort of pushing for teachers to make sure that they have virtual Zoom or Google Meeting lessons. Now, I think that the setup we have working for us is preferable, with me making a lesson video, posting the link on YouTube, posting that link in Classroom for you to watch, and then having assignments by certain due dates. Some of you guys have reached out to me and told me that this is what you prefer because some of you guys have work or have family obligations, etc., etc. And I want to be receptive to that fact. So I'm going to continue doing that. But because I also need to have Google Meetings of some sort, again, on Wednesdays, I'm going to post a link for a Google Meeting in Classroom from 12 to 1. If I need to change it, I'll let you know. If I need to change it, it'll likely be because of some faculty meeting or something. Now, if you want to talk to me in real time and ask me questions about the lessons that I post, or the readings, or just general stuff about class, or heck, even if you want to say hi, which I would appreciate, from 12 to 1 on Wednesdays, we will have a Google Classroom meeting. If you can join, that'd be great. I am not going to go ahead and enforce it, though, or make it mandatory until I have to. And beyond that, if you would like to have a meeting with me, but Wednesdays 12 to 1 don't work, that's totally fine. Just email me, give me a heads up, and I will send you a private link, and we'll work out a separate time, and that's okay with me. Also, if you want extra credit, I have an option that you can utilize. That being said, there is kind of a time limit on the option. So if you want extra credit in class for this marking period, please contact me soon, preferably this week. Please contact me this week if you need extra credit. All right, now as far as the actual instructions, and again, this is what I'm asking you to post in the assignment tab for the instructions confirmations, or to send me. Tomorrow, you're going to watch the video that I post on Classroom. It'll be the lesson for tomorrow. We're going to be talking about postmodernism. Yes, I know, super fun. Following that video, I'm going to release one story the following morning. It's called The Hanging Stranger. The reason that I'm releasing one story as opposed to two this week is because this story is a little more challenging, it's a little more complicated, and frankly, it's longer to read. Now, again, I'm aware you have other classes and you have other responsibilities, so I'm not going to make your work each week overly long. That being said, this assignment is a little more in-depth than the other one. You're going to read the story. I think it's kind of interesting. And then you're going to answer the prompts and questions from Tuesday's lesson in Google Classroom by Friday. Now, heads up, just to make sure that you guys are watching the videos, or at the very least communicating with each other about what the instructions are, I am not going to specify what the instructions are in the assignment tab in Classroom. I'm just going to say refer to Tuesday's lesson for the instructions, or something along those lines. Now, if you watch the lesson, you're totally fine. And again, the lessons will be posted on Classroom with the links, and they're also on my teacher YouTube page. So you can still find them even if you don't watch it specifically on Tuesday. If you say watch it Wednesday morning or Tuesday midnight, that's totally fine with me. You can still watch it. I'm totally okay with that. The questions and prompts from the lesson that correspond to the reading, that will be due in Classroom by Friday. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and you guys are welcome to join me in the Google Classroom meeting on Wednesday from 12 to 1. Okay, thanks. Bye.